The proactive care team at Brighton and Hove needed to target a set of patients on a particular medication, which was flagged by the MHRA. Drug safety updates are regularly issued during the year to identify any potential complications that may occur relating to the combinations of drugs and medical conditions. Sollis worked with the HERE team as a development partner to produce a query building tool which rapidly identified those patients who needed to be contacted.
Sollis has offered us an opportunity to reach into the data and really understand it at a micro level. It's allowed us to cut the data in various ways to understand the demand and to understand what the service responses needs to be. Without this sophisticated interrogation, I don't think that we'd have been able to achieve the things we'd achieved.
MHRA every year release quite a few updates on different medicines, so perhaps a medication that's been on the market for a while, but people have been reporting a side effect that we wouldn't have noticed beforehand. So you're kind of looking for patients who've got a high-risk drug with a high-risk condition. So that was specifically what the MHRA had been talking about. MHRA will provide advice on what to do, so whether to stop the drug entirely, to reduce the dose, or to seek professional advice. Because we've access to the system, we can just pull up a list, so it's a bit easier than having to go through all patients individually. You can type in certain drugs, type in certain types of patients or certain age groups. With the current crisis in the NHS and healthcare in general, we aren't going to suddenly produce an extra 5,000 new doctors, so we have to be quite efficient with the resources we have. And one of the amazing resources we have, besides nurse practitioners, is we've got pharmacists who are, well, experienced in medication, and if we could give them the funding and the opportunity, we could have them to do a similar job to myself.